Hello, today we have a demonstration of the new BlackBerry 9810. This is not a full retail box unit, this is actually a pre-production model of the 9810, but we don't expect any change to the hardware. There may be a few changes to the software, but not that we'll notice in this tour. So let's take a quick look at the device. So this is a new BlackBerry OS 7 device from RIM. It's the upgrade to the 9800, which is currently available through all the major networks and phone retailers. This is the improved 9810. So we keep the similar form factor with the touch screen, 3.2 inches in size, and we've got the slide up mechanism which reveals this, the QWERTY keyboard, which we're used to seeing on a lot of BlackBerry devices. This isn't quite as big as that on the Bold, but you can still get a pretty decent rate of typing on this. Some people may find it a bit tricky because the keys are small, but they do have a tactile feedback, and they are raised, they're not flat, so you can get a good impression here. So we've got 4 physical buttons. We've got the calling button, got the end call button and power button, got a back button, got the menu button, and then we've got the optical trackpad. Got the BlackBerry logo at the top here, and then we've got an LED notification light. So I've already shown you the QWERTY keyboard we've got there, but then on the side of the device we've got the micro USB sync and charge connection. On the base of the device it's flush, there's nothing there. On the side we've got a button here which can be customized, but default is the camera. We've then got a volume up and down rocker. We've also then got the 3.5mm headphone jack and audio out. On the top we've then got a mute button and the lock button, so we can press this to lock or unlock the device. So let's just take a look at it from a side profile when it's open. So that slides nicely there, it's all spring loaded. On the back when open we've got this dark grey material on the back here. We've then got the 5 megapixel camera with autofocus and LED flash here. We've then got the back panel which has the BlackBerry logo on it, and it's actually got a texture to it, so you can see it's got like a square ridge here. This is the texture that you get on this device, and then you can slide down this back cover to reveal an FS1 battery. We've got the micro SD and SIM card slot, so this can take up to a 32GB micro SD memory card on board, or sorry, not on board, but you can add one there. You do get 8GB of internal memory on the device anyhow. So let's just take a quick look at BlackBerry OS 7. So we can use the touch screen to bring up the applications menu, and then we can go into different applications, what have you, by touching the screen. We can use the optical trackpad to scroll through the menus. We can then click into it using the trackpad. We've also got different customized menus, so we've got frequently accessed applications, we've got downloads, we've got media. We can customize the way we view it by dragging this bar. So if we only want to see one line of applications, we can then still scroll across, but actually we might want to view more than just 4 quick links, so we can move that like so, and now we've got 8 quick links there on the home screen. We can press and hold and we get a few options here, including hiding the icon, but we can move it and we can scroll it around, and I want to move media a little bit further down my menu here, so there we go, move that there. Nice feature is that we can search on BlackBerry OS 7 by simply typing in a keyword or something that you're looking for. So I just pressed the search button here and it automatically starts refining as you type. Of course, the 9810 does have a physical keyboard, so all you need to start doing is just typing and it will do that automatically for you. Of course, we do have a physical on-screen keyboard should we wish to use it without the physical keyboard. From the top here we can go down to the main settings such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We can also get to the options and get some important information and configuration settings if we choose, so it's quite a well thought out operating system. Web browsing is definitely faster and it's optimized to be a bit more user friendly. So we've got the camera button here, so if I press down on that it'll launch us into the camera application where we can then record still images or video if we chose. So that is the new BlackBerry 9810. It's available online at clove.co.uk.